Good evening. Hello. I am back. Oh, where is oh, ah, wait a minute. It must be here. Hospital info. Yeah. So we are back to some hospital digging. This time I want to track how a VIP is working. Okay. Where is the game? I already forgot where I start. What? Hospital clean, okay. Come on. First, I need to change this. And I need a markdown docs. Markdown. Basics. Where are the tables? Links, images, code. Markdown guide, that's what I was looking for. Tables, so basically need to draw it. Okay, let's try. So this will be like that. I will remove this column because we don't need it anymore. Exactly 3. Dun, 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 dun. Like that. Shit. Okay, we will just remove this thing. Can I preview? And it will be broken. This we need that. Okay. Ah. Should be working now. Shit. Like that. Okay. Better not do that. Shit. Mm, mm, mm. Ooh. So all empty. I will do like that. Come on. And they all should be fine now. But I changed it. That's why I don't like Markdown. Mm. Why I can't find the tabs. They all change to spaces probably. Okay. We can just do it like that then. We'll clean the spaces later. So this will go here. And this will go here. And we will remove you. So this go here. Let's go here. Oof. Mm. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, so now done it from the start properly. Okay, seems right. Now I need to find all the double spaces and change them to 1. More and all. Okay, so we got the table. Mm-hmm. Let's do it like that. So should be right. Do I have a git here? Yes. And where is this? Correct. Okay, now it's clean. It's structure for the shit engine. Okay. Markdown. Shit. If forgot this thing. Okay. Where is our Hydra? Okay, so there is our function for calculations. So basically this table is a representation of this enormous switch. Some things are still unknown for me. Ugh. Sorry, I still didn't find research machine when you kill someone. Autopsy event, but maybe I will find it later. So right now I want to see how VIP works. VIP tour. Pom, pom, pom. So this is called from here if bvar equal 4. It must be a bookmark, no? VIP. VIP spawn. VIP stager. That's what I need. Where is the freaking thing? Why I can't move it to the left? Oops. So here is our stager, and it's called from here. Emergency loss, emergency win. No. That's just general function which checks for the emergency, for the quake, for the VIP. So here is our stage. We're checking. Hospital index less than this. If not equal 0, do while. Else it will just drop here. Announcement queue. Doctor pop-up text. VIP index name. Epidemic announcement. Announce. VIP game clock. Stage. Let me see. Global mayor launch. If VIP days from last greater, then we will get name. We will set the VIP. Why there is epidemic announcement? I don't know. Or it's just announcement of VIP coming. Name index, hosp index. Just 14. There was a array with all the announcements. This one is what? pvar struct VIP. How it's populated? While reload 0. pvar day of the month. One name index type offset. Okay, let's try. Where's our stager? So we will need cheat engine because the debug for some reason doesn't work properly. The game doesn't work with it. Load. And yeah, problem with the game. It sometimes doesn't want to work. I not immediately again glitched. Shit. Why it's happening sometimes? Something wrong with the DirectX again. And now it's randomly. Now it's stuck even here. My god. Um, and it immediately glitched. Theme Hospital, why you don't wanna cooperate sometimes? Mm. What is breaking it? Hmm. Direct sound. Is it you? Okay, apparently audio channel problem. Yep. Okay. Where is it? Mhm. Should be fine. Yeah. Okay, now cheat engine. Memory. We need this address. And we need a breakpoint. And we are here. What we got? Stack AF6. So yeah, it's a return address, and apparently we don't have any input params. There is a EIX from previous function. From this one. But here I don't see any access to EIX. Bytes AL compared to AL. And yeah, we got EIX overwritten here. So yeah, we don't use anything. What we got? Push this one, this byte. Okay, let's see what we will get. Clean this compare this byte. It's a problem. So we got byte 1 here. This byte. and it's used a lot, and it's written in several places. Here. Somewhere here. And everywhere except here it's written to 1. Mm-hmm. Hey. Where is my function? So it will be 1, so we will set this to 4. BP1. What is BP? This one. Okay. And jump. Remove this. If byte greater than 1. So no. So we will not set this to 4. Cusp index 1 or 0. Jump lower or equal. SVAR is 1. It's this one. So I will go here. Yeah, x1. Clean edx. Compare this one. 1. Jump not above, so less or equal. Move if byte less than 2. Okay, we will go and here, because this is the address where hospitals stored, and this apparently all of this. Move ESI, it's 0, it's index, into EBX. And ESI, that's all will be 0. Then here we got our hospital. Compare 1FA at stage apparently. 1F3 plus 7, yeah. 1FA. With the L, with 0. Jump not equal. If it's not 0, I will get into break. Plus 1FA, that's 0. So we will go to the next hospital. While host index less than S var 3. Interesting. Is this amount of like user hospitals? Because it's immediately jumping off here. Yep. Yeah, 8A. Because we got this equal to 1. After this goes here, it says hospital index 2. And it immediately goes to false. This one less. And it will break. Okay. Maybe it's a switch of a single player and multiplayer. Okay, we got here and we are checking the L. It's a BVAR, which is here. And it's false. So we will again jump here. Basically go through. Okay. So this is the case. When in the code it looks like that if this, else down here. But in the assembly it's opposite. If goes down there to jump. FF6B. I can't see it here. Where is this? If jump not 0. Yeah, it will jump here and go here. But if it's false, it will go here and we will land here. Okay. So jump not greater. We did this. S var not equal 0. Compare. Jump not above. If S var not 0, it should get here. And here is our another address. Hospital object data start field 0 plus index object index. So we are grabbing some object To see it's this one. Yep, but ahead. So it's this part. We're getting value from here into EDI. We got this. List head. Mm, mm, mm. Not a pointer. Even hex. Something. Then x 0 0 0 0 plus 16 1e. That's the object index. x the I. So this plus 16 1 so this one. And we will get something. Object index. Does this PT list head? It's a list of heads actually, because the patients are composed from the separate parts, but it's a VIP. He got this single sprite. Maybe it's a pointer to this sprite with this ID. Okay, we are not interested in this actually. EAX, EDX sub, load effective address, 1482, and add this. That's an object start. 74FO. Yep. So this is the offset. To the object EDX. So this is the address of a object in the hospital. And we're comparing this with this, that it doesn't fall off the actual array of objects. So it's this. Now jump not above. Now we are loading again a lot of stuff. EDI 0, 0, 0, 0. It's again 0. This is our hospital. Add EDI. It's a 0. So it's 0 hospital. So basically this is a calculation of an offset, not the actual index. Then move EDI plus 1FF. Is this VIP day from last? 1F3. Plus C, yep. So it's this one. We're moving it here. We're checking how many days from the previous VIP visit. So it's 78. Should be here. Yeah, this one, VIP days. Then we're incrementing it and saving back. 79. Sign extended AX. Okay, it's the same. Then we will move 8 to 8. That's a global mail launch. 8 to 6. Oh no, 8 to 8, yes. Into CX. It's 96, which should be 150, I think. Yep. It's default from where is the mayor launch? There is 150. Okay. If this jump greater, so let me play around with it. 96. So jump greater will not. Would have jumped here, but because of this, it will go here. It will grab random seed. And then we will move B, which is 11. And subtract. Why we're subtracting? Who knows? Divide by ECX. And we will get basically index, yep. Push ESI. It's a 0. The L, it's a 5. We will move to here. That's a name index. Then stage change to 1, day from last to 0. Push 14. We already pushed ESI. It was an index of a hospital. 14, it's announcement index. The name index, which is 5. And 6, it's some type. Rename. Some announce. xref 11 call 5 6 5 8 4 7 3 1. 14, it's not a type. No. Okay. Let me check. Just here it's also 14. Uh, 1 2 3 0. It's changing. Oh my god, what's happening here? How I managed to lose my function? So name index. It's some type, and this is some type. This is offset. Hey, get back. Let's go in. So we are here. Player call. Compare. Immediately compare this to this. What is this thing? Byte pointer. Okay. At 0. It's current. No. This one. If this is not 0, return 0. Maybe it's checking for the already existing pop-up things, because sometimes they don't appear if there is something of the same type, some kind of. So apparently this function is responsible for opening this thing and spawning icon. Hydra. Compare. Push, jump equal 0. So if this equals 0, we will go to here. Immediately. Ouch. Jump equal bumps. Okay, and we are here in the do while. This is address where all of these things are stored. Then ESI plus C. Hex plus C. This or 8 C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A, B, C. C. This one. This should be F. So we will get into this address F40. And we're comparing this to ESI. And this one is this one. That's the address. The player call. The current player call. Something like that. This, I have no idea what is this. Double word. This we got an address. So we're comparing this address to this address. 71. They are not equal. If the player call greater or equal to this address, will return 0. Let's again checking for the boundaries. Then jump not above. Compare this to 0. If this param is not 0, jump somewhere. B, this one. 5C. So we are here saving one param to another param. If this param equals 3, so here we are checking this param. And depending on this, we will check different thing. F, it's the size of an object. B2, I don't know. But in the end, we will get the index, which will go into the announcement queue. It's an audio announcement. EDI is 6, so we will else not 5 and name index not 3. Name index 3, it's some special person in the game. Why it's opened like that? Mayor. Okay, Minister of Health. It's better like that. So 0, 1, 2, 3. King Bernard is special case. Okay. Jump equal, no. And this is 5. And then we are jumping here. Yes, by 14. So yes, P is stuck. So it's an index, yep. So we got index, we got next so we are here basically. So we're adding to this array a new entity. It's some structure. By x into address of ESI. This is day of month apparently. This one. It's when it's supposed to get to the hospital. Vroom, vroom, vroom. X into ESI plus 6. Okay. ESP1C, it's another RAM, which is 0. Increment pointer here. It's 2. Move 1 into can object. This one. 1 1. It's enabled maybe. ESI 24P. Okay, that's all of this. And now we're calling this thing, which just apparently, yeah, plays the sound and adds this thing to the panel. Okay, we'll jump. Fortunately, I can see it here in real time. Then we are fixing the stack, cleaning stuff. Again, getting this PT list head by C, and we will return this field. Oh, I can hear a sound. A little bit more sound. So it's all of this. I divide, move, 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 pop, and we are out. Back here. Add the ESP plus 10, it's again stack change. Increment this plus 1. Compare, and we will jump out. And return to F6, this one. Okay. And here this thing. Okay, we again here. This byte. Still 1. Stage will be here. Not 0. Game clock, VIP stage. Stage is I don't have a stage here. It's +7. Byte. Stage 1. Okay. Compare this to 1, and we are basically interested in here. Game clock. That's a 0. One F3. Yeah. So this is our clock. But why it's 0? Because we still didn't click this thing to invite him. Compare this one. It's this one. Okay. We don't care. We jump. Load, and ESI is still 0. EBX, it's an address. EBX ESI plus 1 FA. Okay. Compared to the L, it's a 0. Move 1 and jump. Jump not greater. Compare 3B the ECX 0. ESI 0. Hospital 1 FA compared to EX2. Jump not equal. And we are out. So so it's always checking the same thing, even if it can't spawn anything. Yeah, we again here, but I can't do anything. And if I will invite, it will switch to stage 2. Now We should get Hosp index by 9, not 0. We jumped. From here. Stage not 0. Yes, EBX X plus. Oh my god. Okay. 1FA. So it's 2. So we will be always getting out through here. Jump not 0. This is 0. It's pass. So this is this thing. Is VIP started. Interesting. We will break. We will not return. So we are tasting this and jump not equal. It's this. Yep. This. Then clean, test, and jump. Yeah, we are testing this. This test is this if. If it's true, we will get in. Hosp index 0. If SVAR not 0, we will get here. Mm, 90. Compare this to 1. Jump below equal. Again, loading stuff. Oh, I think 0, 0. Yes, it's our hospital. Index. Stage. L stage 2 and game clock lesson game clock. So it checks if this time is smaller than the actual game clock. Jump not equal. Move. It's game clock. Yep. And compare is I plus on F3. Jump above or equal. If game clock greater, it will go in. It should go in when it needs to spawn. Now we got out. If stage 2 and game clock less than game clock, it should be opposite. If this game clock greater than this, it should go in. Because right now it jumped here. Change. Because actual clock is this. Wait. It sets game clock in the future. And when this is greater than this, it will work. Yeah. Everything correct. I'm just stupid. Because right now it's greater than this. And when the game clock is more than our future game clock, we will go in and spawn. Okay, let's play around with it. So we will get again, this will be jumped. To here, actually. So we should pass through the 88. There it is. Now we will break immediately here. Test and jump not equal. I will get here. If svar not 0, jump not greater, compare this to 1, the 0. We are here, and we should be here then. And voila, we are not jumping. We're pushing this index into this function, and this function is just spawns a VIP. And we got back ID of object, and we are saving it in our object index. Hospital data 8C. Yep. So object index of a VIP inside this thing. And fix stuck. Stage is changing to 3. If index equal current hospital, doctor pop-up text. There is the index of a text. And name index, nouns queue. We're jumping here and get out of while. And out of here. And that is our yeah, 2 announcements. Announcement queue. It's an audio, and this is the text one. Okay. Now I need to understand how it moves and what it does. This thing apparently doesn't do anything except starting the VIP. It doesn't do anything with its movement. Because this is the spawn. This is the setting, the name and the first stage. And there is nothing else. How is he moving? Animation type 2. I have an ID of VIP, it's 51. Yep. Object index, it's 4. Object index. 4 and it's a byte. Okay. So 92. 5C. Can I get it in hex, please? Where's hospital data start? So it's basically this. For C 637203 plus 5C multiplied by AF. What the hell am I doing? 37263 4C. Got AF. So this address is our VIP. And we can see him moving.
Doctor required an inflator room.
Ow. You are too loud. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If I will change this, I think his animation will break, no? Yeah, he went
Doctor required in general
somewhere.
diagnosis.
Now he's going okay. Okay, so how is he moving? There's so many functions. Let's try and see this one. Find use of this. Because they will constantly access the index if they need to do something with an object. nothing. Maybe because I need to get from here hospital data. VIP. Okay. Object index. Find user. Again, only one place. If I will search for this. Oh, there is more. VIP stage. Object index. It's exactly this. Name index, score. Event, stage. Let's then dig deeper. Oh, object. Hospital object data start. Let's go by location. Start +1 index. So we're going from the back to the front. Okay. Type 10. Type it's C. So it's a 14 here. I can break everything like that. It's that's not. Yep. And he vanished. Return back. I glitched the game as usual. VIP death coming in your hospital. VIP visitor. Oh, now he fixed.
Nurse required in pharmacy.
Hospital object type. There is some problem with the stock. Animation type 2. And it's a D. So this one. So 2 it's moving, 4 it's standing still.
Nurse required in ward.
And this timer, it's 3B. 1, 2, 3. B. Should we? Hello. Well. There's a field. So I basically need to understand the whole object type, because it's somehow working from this. Just VIP stager. Here we spawned it. We got empty cell. If cell is not null, we will set the type 14. Hospital index. This R&D. There is PT rooms. It's a map apparently because it grabs the spawn point from there. Spawn point by this. And spawn point 7. So it's basically X and Y coordinates. Random by 3. Non-array. Unknown 5. It's 5. Okay. So this and 7 is this. And they are bytes. Just I know that this things is coordinates. Oh my god, I forgot it's not hex by default. Now he will jump. No? A, B, C, D, E. And he is going out of here.
No loitering.
Yeah, I think I'm moving a little bit. Yep. You can see he jumped. If I will nullify all of this, I will probably break something. Nope. Yep.
Doctor required in
Yep.
GP's office.
I glitched him. Can I unglitch him? Shit. I broke him. I don't remember the actual values. Oh, he disappeared. Let me try and check this pawn function. And shit. So VIP days 149. And here is our VIP again. And now we need to drop timer. And we should break point. Yep. We are here. Push, 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 and immediately call. Why we're getting 3 pushes, but only 1 argument? We got this, this, and this pushed. This is the hospital address. Here we are getting one register. And only this index. Can I this size? Nope. Oh, minus AF. That's why it can't see it. So basically AF it's the size of an object, but because of the minus it can't set equate correctly. So we will call this and we will get back the empty address. So before it was this. Now we will apparently get one before. Minus AF. Nope. Oh, it's far, far away. Oh my god, it's so far away. 29. 41 item before. Okay. So we got an address for our new VIP. If cell not equal 0, but we got 0 here. Plus AF. We will get D8. So yeah, this is our object. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11 rows by 16 bytes. Okay. We are setting cell type to 14. It will be here. And it's a byte, so this we know. Okay. Next. So there is our address. We're checking if it's not 0. And we are getting our host index. Cleaning this and then ESI. ESI, not ESP, okay. And just this plus C and this plus C. But this is a stack and this is our object. So we will write here 14. So it's a VIP. Can I write somewhere? Hospital object types. Again, txt. VIP. Can I create enum here? Type. Maybe I already created something like that. Hospital object type. Yep. Interesting. Data type. Can I change you? No, it's a name. Hospital object type. Can I do it like that? It will not change anything. I thought it will rename it into enum. Like an enum value. So it will write this one. But no. Oh, it's 14 in hex. It's not E, it's 20. Oh, it's 14 here. Interesting. Did I messed up it before? Duplicate. Now it's a VIP. Okay, I don't know why I set it to yeah before. Maybe there is two things. Not supposed to be. Okay. So let's go move AL into BL. So it's a 0. Then ESI 16. It's hosp index. Yep. AL. It's a 0. Then we are calling random seed and ending it with a 3. And 3. So we will get only 2 bits. Yeah. And it will be 1. So basically it's random from 0 to 3. Plus F. Random. So we got this and this. And we got, ouch, 1. Yep. 2. How? If there is only last bit. Okay. And doesn't matter much. It's random. So we will get UX. UBX is 0. So we will get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And move here our hospital. We will get our hospital. Effective address. So it's again offset. And then X is what? Is 4. This by 2. Move sign extended 1. Come on, move 1 CF. One B1 plus F. One C0. There's one CF. What? So this is 1C, this is the F, okay, because of this R&D. So yeah, X is 4, yeah, the X is our hospital. Let me open another window. Yeah, the X. Our hospital. Or let me do it like that. So here I will open my object and here will be other stuff. Oh my god, now I need to make you smaller again. 4, 4, 4, 4, okay. It must be 16. So this is our hospital plus 1CF. Hospital data. 1CF, it's can place stuff. Something with building. Pumps. V1. Huh, interesting. Why it doesn't work? 1CF plus 4. AP spawn 1D3. Hmm. One CF. There's 4. Oh no, 0. 3, my god. That's the problem with cheat engine. It doesn't show you this thing. In the Xdebugger, it shows what this address will be. Yeah, the X 1CF plus EIX. So basically it should be like that. Plus 4, but it still doesn't work. Because I'm stupid, that's why it doesn't work. God. This is our object, it's not a hospital. This is the hospital. This plus 1 CF plus 4. Here we got 3. And it means what? Isn't this a level? No, we don't have a level. Level. It's at the start. Hmm. 1 CF. plus 4. Yeah, 1d3. We got 3. Then we are moving it there. And we got EAX, E6 equal 3. We are doing shift left of ECX. So we will move it here. So basically, these 2 bytes will move. And we will get 18. Basically 3 times by 2. 3, 6, 12, 24. Yep, 24. 18 in hex. That's what we got. Then we're subtracting for some reason. E6 and EIX. And we will get 15. Then we are moving this thing to 08. It's better rooms. Yep, to 08. Here. Load effective address. And we're grabbing all of this, which we got. Oh my god, So we're searching for some specific room in our predefined array. That's an index. X 3f. Move ix, okay. So this 4. Shift right. So we will by 7 times by 2. I will get 6c. CL, it's the lowest part. 3f by 7f. Oh my god. 3f. 7f. So we will get back this. Yeah, because this will be empty. So we will get back the same value basically. But where it's stored now? This 3f. Then we're moving this into these things. Unknown 5, unknown 7. Tish and tish. So these 2 things. Do you have any info about this stuff? There is a specs. Uh, strings, levels. Object info. Game object info. There is unknown from 0 to 7. Just like animation starts as the index of an entry in the frame file. Entries in the frame file are 10 bytes in size. Absolute position, frame index by 10. Oh my god, there's so many layers. Layer class. The high nibble contains the layer classes can take value from 0 to 12. The lower nibble contains some flags for entering the sprite element. Flag can be ORed. Known flags. Flip image vertically. Flip horizontally. Alpha 50, alpha 75. Layer ID for each layer class. Sprite element must be rendered if the layer class of it contains its layered ID. Sprite element is of layer class 9 and has a layer ID 6. This is simply a sequence of indices. Frame. Each entry is 10 byte long. So this, okay. Next of the element in the list file. Bit mask 0. Index of the next frame. Just where's the which file is which? This is a video. This is the strings. Graphic chunks. Data money, data palette, stylized banknotes and digits from 0 to 9. Palette pointer. Writable. Animation list, animation frame, animation start. Data MK, that's levels. Level. Graphic palette. Just for this, I will have to freaking check how everything is loading in the game so I can understand what corresponds to what. There is a loading ESI 4, ESI 6. So this and this will be set to -80. Why it's -80? Just 80. What? Why it's written like -80? Strange. Then 12F and 11 do these things. So this, and this. Then we will get 6 and 4 back. And push it here, the function. Here we got the map with coordinates. Pointer. Then this. While. For loop. Oh no, just if. If this not 0, this equal assigned to UR. And then this UR greater than 0. Capital object data start field index 0 index. So it will set this value. ESP15 6C 3F. Again, this ESI, it's our object. And EBX, EIX. Okay, so we'll get the same thing. Move AF, it's the size. We again doing some weird shit with coordinates. Object start, object the map. Okay. EC. Let's put them up. And this should be object start. Yep. Oh my. And we're just getting back our freaking index apparently. Yep. 30 frame. And from address of this we are UCX, which is 13. Test is I plus 2. So this one and this one. We're setting UVAR 1, which is 30. If UVAR greater than 0, we will put it here. Move it there. Shuffle. Trap. Can this thing is I plus EDX. Plus what? EDX is I 20 D0. What? ESI plus EDX. What the hell is this address? Makes 80. Object start field 0 UVAR. Okay, we placed something somewhere. Ooh, 1 point. Like placed him on the map, I suppose. Unfortunately, render will not show me this. So next one. A tangent again. Memory view. Where is the second one? There it is. So we got out of this function. Yep. Yep, we are here. And this to fix stack. Push ESI and push 89. So param 1. It's a sprite frame. Interesting. So it will just go here and just check that it's not out of boundaries. Compare, jump, and out. Check frame. Invalid frame. Check is frame valid. And we are here. Yes, I 11. This one, yep. Yeah, we're getting this one. Add AXCX 98A. Yes, add X this here, then this dot thing. By 8. So yeah, this 11 by 8 is this. Frame. Something with a frames. Clean this. Yes, I plus 8. Mm-hmm. Ouch. Get this dot file. Compare if hospital data start less than all of this thing. Data start plus object index. Move L to 1. ADC? What is ADC? Do you have an explanation what is ADC is? Assembler ADC. Add with carry. Oh. Tish. Load effective address, the X, then this, this, and list head apparently. Move. Again, this. Now we're pushing this and calling this with a cell and some unknown field. Data start unknown for F. So it's some object with a field for F. Here we are setting this to this to this, and what is this? Unknown structure. Oh my god, so many functions. Oh my god. So this is a hospital object. Hospital object. Add something from hospital object. Some params. And does something with it. I have no idea. C. At this 10. No, it's a 12. Because frame is 10 bytes. Oh my god. Okay, we got something. Then we're setting animation type 2. Hospital project types. Mm. Mm. Maybe it will be easier. Value description. Kinda. So white pointer OD. So it will be FED. So it will be here. 6E. Oh my god, somewhere there. So 4. There it is. And 6C. will be 0. And this jump return cell minus hospital object that start by hospital size. So index. So 33 as expected. So nothing special is happening there. Interesting. What is this? Will it change when he will move
We have a
VIP with us? So here he is somewhere. Okay, there he is. So if I will get this and I will set it to 3, what will happen? Nothing. If E is going here. 3E there. Yep. And he disappeared. I broke him. He immediately disappeared and gave me a score. Nice. This is a hex. This is a hex. Oh, so days 149, please. Let's spawn it again. Okay. Now we got this thing. Step out. We got the same ID. Run. Oh my god, why you spawned there? And where the hell are you going? And he glitched. Oh, there is another one. Shit, that's not good. ID is the same. Just because when he will go on
doctor
top of
required an inflator
himself, it
room.
can glitch the game. Nope. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Why address is wrong? Because it's here. Okay. He is going. Interesting what will happen with this thing. So he is standing. Mission type standing. No, messed up. 3E, 4E. Will this thing change? Yep. 3D, 4D. Hmm. Let me stop this. VIP. VIP. Hospital object, come here. Where is this? This one. And use. Mm.  Which value he is getting? He starts. Something around 3C, I think. It's only 60. Let's see. $32. So 15. He got the whole day looking at the room because 50 ticks. It's one day. Yes. It's funny. Come on, where is it? So this is not this. Mm. Can I find where it's set to something like that? Is it even hard-coded value? $50. Start code. Okay. Computer player speed. War trophy threshold. Emergency poor. Drug cost. Nope. Apparently it should be hard-coded. Nope, not this. Okay, so equal issued. Oh wait, it doesn't show what it's equal to. Oh, it's one long thing. Okay, -1. 200 dot. Or B by 100. Ah, it's multiplied. Machine damage alarm. Okay. And again alarms. Come on, move here. Param. Iterate objects. Just here when it spawned. It doesn't set this value. Mission type. Will be a lot. Of course, I can just try. Display type set relative. Where add this to the list. This, and it will be array of bytes 4, 6, 10, 12. Array of bytes hexadecimal. Can you? So 42 by 5D. Now, can I what write to this address? Oh. So this is the same function, and this is another one, apparently. Oh no, or it's one. More info. My god. EIP. Can I? Ah. Where is this thing? So let's go here. And get it here. Oh, it's one of these strange functions which I ignored inside the spawn. This one doesn't have any. So this. Oh my godable, this address 7 32 E6. Come on. There it is. So it's inside this function. 3260. This one. And here we are changing stuff. So if I, for example, let me check what we are changing. 1, 3, 2, and EDX. Where is this part? 2F, 2E5, BC, 2E5. So there it is. Param2 equal param1, param1, 1, 3, 2. So cell and something. There is an object unknown structure address of this thing. Just I think if I will break point on this thing, I will get too much, because it will be triggering for every patient in the hospital. And I need only one, this one. Yeah, that's triggering for everyone. It's triggering from here. But I need only from here, so I need this address. And let's check this thing. And we immediately hear. Okay. Push yikes, this address. 674 again. It's called from a lot of places. Oh my. Coming reference. So here I also shouldn't break. Let's go here then, back in our function. Oh, did I close it already? Shit. Should have looked where it was called. I have closed it already. But I can find it again if I need.
Doctor, attending
Okay,
psychiatry,
and
please.
he is going out. Let me reload the game just in case. I will have to catch a new VIP. Okay, we got it. So we are here. Come on, close. It's 4010. There's another breakpoint. I forgot about you. I don't need you. Interesting why this didn't work. I'm confused. Where am I supposed to be? Here. Load. IP days 149. Accept. Set. And here we are. Okay, so push. Where are you going? So this address is the address of our cell. I messed up with this. There is one F and there is 17C. There is two different calls. If this, we will call this, or we will call this, but we got this one. Okay, so we are interested in, I don't know which one will be. Okay, let's go in. Params, move. And this and this. Okay. This is 0. Then we're calling this thing with this. Step in. Move is P4. It's an address of object. And we are getting 14. Yeah, x plus 14. This one. Something from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4D. Then from 13, 3f. Then we are pushing this and adding EAX A2. A. At the structure. And push EDX at this. Then EAX minus 23. This one. And we push it also. And then EAX minus 25. So it's unknown 7, unknown 5. 7. 4, 8, yeah, 7 and 5. The L, 3F. Push. Okay, and then we push this unknown structure to A. And we're getting in. Step into. Do I have a type for this thing? Hospital object. Wasp unknown structure C. Shit. Oh no, okay. I thought Hydra will fail. Retype. But it's a pointer to this thing. Sheesh. Pointer. Please. So edit data type. We're getting param is pet 200 local rem is where the x plus c. Okay, let's see. So we will get a L 2 bytes. So we got 3F. Then from I got here we will get 6C. Okay. Then Another one. 3F. Subtract ESP 200. There will be so many params variables. So we have to move stack so much. Are you serious? ESP plus 2. Oh my god. It's for E. We will change. Oh no, here. 3F. Then push EBX. BL ESP plus 218. What the hell is this? Push ESI. What is the local 200? Array of bytes. Yikes. That's a stack address. Whoa. Something. That's a pointer, yep. Step into. Whoosh. Yes, P plus 8, it's address on a stack. And we push it back on top for the new function. Yes, P4. And the same address apparently. Byte pointer by this address we set to 0. Then to this global we setting 0. If it's not 0, we will jump. Oh my god. Push, push, push. ECX. When we last time used ECX, we moved CL here. Oh, then we will do this thing. Oh my god. What this magic? And we are not even close to where I need to go. So I need to be here, basically. Okay, let's try and step out. So now. Oh, we got out of here. And the GPU comp. What? jump. Then byte pointer is p plus 8. 4. Is this a like outside library? Because the address is freaking far. Param1, it's a structure. Byte pointer, okay. Yeah, the X, it's our unknown structure. 7 to 8, 5A4. To A plus to A. A4, yes, it's our structure. Plus C. So that's an array of structures because plus C it's outside of a data hospital object. Goes here. Maybe I messed up here. So yeah, the X 85 A4. A. A4. So plus C here. Yeah, we got 4. Then ESP plus 210. My god. And this into EDX. It's here. The dish and the dish. This and this. Clean. Compare AL and OC. This one. is IDX4. Increment, so we're here. And we are getting back. And again a while. So it populates this by 4. 4, 4, 4. Can I copy this? Just in case. And we will see what will happen next. Where is
Staff
he?
announcement. Incoming patients with bloaty head. Doctor required in inflator room.
So he's going. It's already changed. Except last two. 5D, 3E.
Doctor required in general diagnosis.
FF. Oh, he's turning. And it changes. 4, 1. Okay, he stands. Timer is running out. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Values changed. He's moving. If I will get and just change it back to the start values, what will happen? Interesting. It doesn't care. Ah.
Nurse required in pharmacy.
It doesn't care.
Doctor, attending psychiatry, please. Nurse required in ward.
Interesting how this animation works. How he decides where to go. And the least. Let's see what will happen with this. And if I will change it back here. Yeah, he will go back. And disappear. Okay, interesting. This was some kind of list, maybe. Okay, yeah. So it's 1, 3. 5, 7. Let's start. Start X. Start Y. Next X. Apparently next stream I will just discover what each file in the game does. Because apparently I need to understand how the engine renders stuff to make it. There's a AP scoring. Let me see quickly, and we will be finishing for the day. And returns byte. AP tour. So apparently he just tours. While true, room offset. Room offset. If room ends, we will break from while until we will change. Maybe this is a function which changes his point where he's supposed to go. It's 42, so this I don't need. Interesting. Let me do it real quick. Yes, come on. coming in. Oh my god. Yes, and we are here. So first point is hard-coded from the reception apparently. And now we are here. Hospital object. Oh. ESI at this. But it doesn't look right. It's current hospital object. Um, edit data type. Type C. Ah, no. Seems like it. Ooh. Where is object? Object. Array. Okay, let's go here. It should be used here. So this one. Let me add a new window. Go here, this address. Three 72.63.4C plus F by 30. And yes, we're getting exactly this. So it's our VIP. So let's go here. So this is our VIP, and this is apparently the next room spawn point. Here X is 26C1, so this will be changing. It looks like it. One 4D. Shit, I didn't remember this. Mm, 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 mm. Mhm. What's the difference? Okay, so he will go here. But it's not so easy to just change one thing. It's apparently connected with a render engine. Don't tell me it just like set the path somewhere. So how he's supposed to move? Voila, we're here. Yikes. So, yikes, we got 24 be there. 39.40. Huh. Uh, 49. Ah. Again, yikes is 23 C2. But if I will switch it to previous value, that's a different one. It's an offset to where he's supposed to move. And he's going somewhere differently. Oh, now it didn't trigger.
Psychiatry, please. Doctor
Okay,
required
he
in general
left. Interesting, interesting. But something tells me he doesn't care while he's walking. So the whole scoring thing happening just simply at the end. With this thing. Whose object type to count? While object stuff liter count known. Turn 14 here. It's like the worst possible outcome. Point of VIP bar array unknown 0. Return score. Here he checks all rooms. It just counts how many rooms. But the room current +1 until the end. If put the room index not 0 and put the current room 1. Index, just +1. If local equals 0, if there is no rooms, Like if there's not enough rooms in your hospital, at the bed hospital. Some random by 2, couple times. Local. Hospital object. Staff damage. It looks at the patients of the patients. Object count. Okay, I will need to test this VIP scoring function next time. So that will be all for today. Thank you everyone who joined us. I will see you all tomorrow, I hope. And we will be finishing IGI 2 finally. Everything okay? Okay. Have a good rest of your day. Have a good rest of your week. Not week. Evening. Bye bye.